Hey guys, don't blink, you're gonna miss this. Lunch in less than 10 minutes, let's get it. I'm gonna cook half of the sweet potato because if I cook the whole thing, I will eat the whole thing because they're just that good. I love to cook these in olive oil, and as you can see, I don't use that much, so it's not a deep fry. It's just a shallow fry, and they turn out perfect every time. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on these. Use whatever salt you prefer, it doesn't matter. Bring out the flavor, and here we go with our side soup. We're using sweet peas, and it's got some potatoes and carrots in there. Bon appetit, guys. I hope y'all try it. Go make it some.